Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed the vaccines and who discovered vaccines and what are the diseases controlled by vaccines. Okay. Now, children, today we discuss about soil microorganisms. Soil microorganisms. Children, we know that air is a mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. In air, oxygen is 21%. Oxygen is 21%. Carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Nitrogen is 78% approximately present in air. Children, air is a mixture of gases. In air, different types of gases are present. In air, oxygen is approximately 21%. Carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Nitrogen is 78% is present. So, plants need nitrogen mainly for synthesizing proteins. Children, plants need nitrogen mainly for preparing or synthesizing proteins. Okay, but plant cannot absorb atmospheric nitrogen directly. But plants cannot absorb atmospheric nitrogen directly. So, some microorganisms like rhizobium, nostoc, Anabaena and Azotobacter. Azotobacter are the different types of microorganisms. What are the microorganisms? Rhizobium, nostoc, Anabaena, Azotobacter. These are the different types of microorganisms help to provide the nitrogen to the plants by fixing them from the atmosphere to form certain compounds. So, these organisms are known as nitrogen fixing microorganisms. Nitrogen fixing microorganisms. Why these microorganisms known as nitrogen fixing microorganisms? They can convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates or nitrites. By the providing of these essential element to the plants. So, they are known as nitrogen fixing microorganisms. These microorganisms release atmospheric nitrogen into the soil that can be taken by plants. Okay, children. The microorganisms present in the soil like fungi and bacteria. Fungi and bacteria degrade biological waste materials. Degrade or decompose biological waste materials present in the soil into simple compounds. Some of which are in these simple compounds are essential for plants' growth. Children, you know the microorganisms present in the soil decompose the biological waste materials present in the soil into the small compounds. These small compounds are very essential for plant growth. Plant growth. Okay, children, do you know what is Bt? What is Bt? Bt. You know, children? Bt? Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus means Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis. It is a name of bacteria. Bt is a name of bacteria. What is the name of bacteria? Bacillus thuringiensis means Bt. Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis. It is a name of bacteria. Bt produces a toxin which kills pests. Which kills pests on plants. On plants or crops. Plants or crops. Bacillus thuringiensis produce one type of toxic material. This toxic material kill the pests present on plants or crops. Okay, children. The Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria Bt is used as biopesticide. Biopesticide. Okay. In transgenic crop plants, Bt toxin producing gene was separated from the bacterium and transferred into the crop plants. So, this can protect it from pests. For example, Bt cotton and Bt brinjal. Bt brinjal are the examples. You know, children, Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis. Bt is a name of bacteria. Bt produces a toxic substance which kills the pests present on plants or crops. The bacterium is used as biopesticide. In transgenic crop plants, this toxin producing gene was separated from the bacterium and transformed into the crop plants. So, this can protect it from pests. For example, Bt cotton and Bt brinjal. Okay, children? In next class, we will discuss another important topic, harmful microorganisms. These are the very, very important. Okay, children? Thank you.